Remember that MathQuill is the tool that's allowing us to write many of the things in this class really beautifully. So that when we want you to enter things like x to the 4th over 2, it actually looks like this in the spot where you input things. But as great and powerful as MathQuill is, there are a couple of little idiosyncratic things that you should know about how to enter things, especially when it comes to using parentheses. You may have noticed that if you type one opening parentheses that is, in a text box where MathQuill is being implemented, then the closing parentheses appears as well, and you'll be typing in this spot in the box in between them. This generally makes your life much easier, but in certain situations it can be kind of tricky. One of these interesting and potentially troublesome features is that once you have a set of parentheses and something written inside them, if you want to delete the parentheses but leave whatever you've written inside, then you can't have your cursor sitting out here and then press delete, because that will delete the entire expression. So let's say you'd written 26m inside parentheses. If you put your cursor right here and press delete or backspace, everything would disappear. If instead, however, of having the cursor out here to the right of the entire expression in the parentheses, you put the cursor just inside of the opening parentheses, so just to the right of it, then you can press delete or backspace or whatever your computer uses to get rid of things before the cursor, and that will leave you with whatever was written inside of the parentheses originally. I'd like you to get some practice with how this works using this expression right here. So once it comes time for you to take this quiz, I'd like you to type in 3 plus, open parentheses, 2xy minus 7, open parentheses, xz, and then 2 close parentheses. And then, in as few keystrokes as possible, change this to just 3 plus 2xy minus 7xz. So this is just giving you a chance to figure out how to delete parentheses without deleting expressions that were inside of them.